Hello and welcome. I'm excited to share with you a simple and efficient way to deploy the DeskDirector Desktop Portal version 5 to your machines using PowerShell. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. Before we begin, let's make sure we have everything we need for the installation. The PowerShell script requires access to the following 4 files: DD Portal NSI Installer, appsettings.json, and favicon.png. Ensure that these files are located in a remote location accessible to the PowerShell script. With the release of version 5.010, the installer will look for the settings or logo files in the following folder structure. To prepare for the installation, download the MSI installer, appsettings.json, favicon.png, and logo.png files and place them under the specified folder. The PowerShell script is the one you can see on the screen, but I will leave the article with all information you need on the video description. Once the files are in place, the RMM, Remote Monitoring and Management, tool will use mzexec.x to execute the installer located in the specified folder. This automated process ensures that the DeskDirector Desktop Portal is installed seamlessly across your machines without any issues related to missing files. By following these steps, you'll be able to deploy the DeskDirector Desktop Portal V5 to your machines efficiently using PowerShell. If you have any questions or encounter any issues during the process, feel free to reach out for assistance.